So instead of coming up with a plan from 2017 to tackle the 2018 crime and violence in Jamaica, our lovely Prime Minister waited until it's 2018. Now they're having a retreat to actually talk about how will they approach the crime and violence and economic issues in Jamaica. That's so backwards. You're going to talk about a year that you're already in. That's already going down. About how you're going to make plans. The plans were supposed to be made from 2017. But anyways, this news article says, as Jamaica's crime problem presents increased challenges to the authorities with more than 40 murders recorded since the start of the year, and the government and public sector workers engage in tough wage negotiations, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his cabinet go into a 3-day retreat starting today to discuss the way forward. The Prime Minister and his cabinet will hold talks on several important national matters, including the ongoing public sector wage negotiations, the issues of national security and safety, economic growth, as well as plans for the 2018-2019 budget. The retreat is scheduled to take place at the office of the Prime Minister in Kingston. So, they like to act like Jamaica is so hard to manage and the problems in Jamaica are so hard to find solutions to. First, we can start off by and I'm just going to put things out there. We're going to start off by saying our lovely inner city youths need after school programs to engage them in, so they're not on the street being idle. Okay, we need to bring back that into the communities, bring back the importance of sports and sportsmanship into our schools. And in Jamaica, we put a lot of focus on school and going to school. But when you go to school and you get a degree from UWI or wherever you go to school and you get your college degree and you can't find a job, that makes it very difficult to stay in a place like Jamaica, because you went to school, you worked hard, you pay your way through, you got your degree, and you still can't get a job. So create more jobs instead of selling out the country and building these big lavish highways. How about you create some more jobs for the people? The more jobs you create, the less poverty your country will have, and the less likely it's going to be that you're going to have idle hands. The more jobs, the more opportunity for people to get a job and feed their family, and then have to rob, thief, or rape, feed them family. Next, you can start off by protecting our borders, protecting our waterways, and protecting our wharfs, and making sure that illegal guns and ammunition is not coming into our country. Okay, putting personnel in there for the safety of our communities, because the crime issues is getting out of control. You see how bad last year was? It's going to be even worse this year. Already we started the year out with 10 days in and over 40 murders. 10 days in. Put that into perspective. 10 days into the new year and already 40 people have been killed. All these lavish highways that you guys are building and putting our country in debt for, make sure you put lavish equipment like cameras on these highways, because people are get slapped upon these highways left, right, and center in broad daylight and on these new roads that you're trying to build for tourist attraction. Please make sure there's cameras on these roads for the people of Jamaica to be more safe, for everybody when they get slapped with at Jamaica, so you can help the police officers do their job more effectively. Hey, I'm not no rocket scientist. I'm not no politician, but I think those are some good ways, some good step forward, or a good plan of action for 2017, not 2017, 2018 for Jamaica. Don't you guys think so? I want you guys to also drop in the comment section what are some of your solutions for the economic problems Jamaica have, the crime problem that Jamaica have, just the idle hands of people that are in Jamaica. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think down below. What you guys think about Andrew Holness not having a plan of action implemented already for the 2018 fiscal year. Okay, we're already in 10 days in, and now is when they want to create a plan for the 2018 year. That's backwards, and people need to being held accountable. He's been in power for years now, and still nobody is asking this man what is he going to do for the country, because as far as I see, nothing he has implemented has worked. The zone of special operation hasn't worked. Nothing he has done is working. So maybe him need to come out of power and give somebody else the work, so they can actually get something done, or actually really delegate jobs to people and make sure they answer for the jobs that they're paying for. That's how jobs are done. Everybody has a certain job and everybody have to answer to someone. Okay, if they're not coming up with answers, then they need to be fired. Simple man. Like, it's simple. They like to act like it's a big deal and they have to come up with so many plans just to attack certain issues in Jamaica. And quite frankly, it's not that hard. Not that hard at all. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.